Swallow this and fall asleep almost instantly. A great number of people around the world face lying down problems every single night. Whenever talking about sleeping issues, sleeplessness is a common problem that influences millions of people, making their everyday activities more difficult. Folks who suffer from sleeplessness usually employ pills which might be full of chemical compounds rather than normal traditional treatments. This is certainly a huge mistake. If you belong to this group affected by insomnia, we highly recommend you to always pick the natural way to solve your problem. Today, we have a natural remedy that is considerably effective in the case of insomnia. It will restore your sleep and will help you wake up fresh in addition to a good disposition. It is well prepared from two simple nevertheless beneficial substances: honey and cinnamon. Sweetie is a highly concentrated normal water remedy of all kinds of sugar which our bodies break down more quickly and less difficult. It really is many sweeter than glucose and even more beneficial for your health. Honey is certainly gradually soaked up into the bloodstream since it is normally low within the glycemic index. It is medically verified that honey has the ability to promote and restore rest in a couple of main ways. First, it allows for an adequate supply of liver glycogen during the night when your body stores are low. It is considered that the average adult liver has only 75 to 100 grams worth of storage space for glycogen, which varies between women and men of different sizes of the body. Our body consumes 10 grams of glycogen per hour throughout the day, leaving our stores low by the time when we go to bed at 11 p.m. 40 health benefits of raw honey: strengthens immunity. It is abundant with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It possesses potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, boosts energy and reduces fatigue, relieves a sore throat, promotes the growth of good bacteria in the intestine. It promotes weight loss. Just drink warm water with honey and lemon on an empty stomach, improves blood flow, thus preventing heart disease, restores eyesight. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with carrot juice and consume on a regular basis, reduces inflammation and pain, alkalizes body's pH, it soothes burns and disinfects wounds. Mix honey and garlic and apply this mixture directly to your wounds in order to clean the area. It prevents low white blood cell count, destroys bacteria responsible for the acne, helps with acid reflux and indigestion. It is rich in phytonutrients known for possessing anti-tumor and cancer-preventing properties, counters pollen allergies. You should take 1 teaspoon of raw honey a few times a day. Reduces ulcers and other gastrointestinal disorders, flushes parasites from liver and colon. It is beneficial in the case of eczema. Mix honey with ginger and black pepper. It can help with hangovers. You should mix 15 milliliters of raw honey with 70 milliliters of organic yogurt and 80 milliliters of orange juice. Reduces metabolic stress, treats anxiety, helps with scalp problem and dandruff. Honey helps build stamina in athletes, relieves morning sickness, reduces cholesterol. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon in 16 ounces of tea, reduces hay fever. Just take 1 tablespoon of honey in the morning, clears sinuses. Mix 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice and honey and consume this 2 to 3 times a day, helps with hiccups, treats arthritis. Mix 1 part honey with 2 parts of lukewarm water and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply the mixture on the itching part of your body and massage helps with bad breath. Just mix 1 teaspoon of honey and cinnamon in hot water and consume it immediately. Moisturizes skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of warm water and a dollop of honey. Apply the mixture on your skin and massage gently, cures a toothache. Mix honey and cinnamon in order to prepare a paste and apply on the aching tooth, helps with pink eye. Mix 1 teaspoon with a cup of water and heat it in order to melt the honey. Let it cool and use an eyedropper in order to drop the mixture in the infected eye. Relieves leg cramps. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and consume it every night before going to sleep. Relieves headaches. Add honey in a half glass of water and consume it immediately. Note: it is very important to use raw organic honey because the heating during manufacturing can destroy the beneficial enzymes and nutrients. Moreover, the locally grown raw honey from the area you live is significantly beneficial for your health. It possesses immune-stimulating properties that your body needs in order to adapt to its environment.